This mat, take a look at the trains running. Are running the first time in a few weeks actually. So I've been working on the landscaping, and I filled in quite a bit of spaces, and I painted the inside of the tunnels black so it looks more like dark in there. And put together a lot of the little holes and little problem spots. You can see I painted that all black in there. So you look down the tunnel, in the tunnels it's black. And then over here, put a tunnel entry in, made some rock walls. I'm gonna put trees and dirt and everything in here later. And then I made a little ramp to go up to this apartment building. And then I put this little castle in here with a wall. And still working on that. This area right here, still not really sure what I'm going to do with the church and the levels, but I got to tie this in. This little area here. But it's looking pretty good, I must say. I like this little bridge effect here. I've got some high spots I got to work out, but pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see down that. I'm gonna get some spray paint and spray paint the back of that wall there black. Couldn't really paint it. Here comes a MRCE, I think, locomotive. We got a few of the newer flat car container cars, modulars that I have bought recently. Here's the night jet with all 6 cars on it now. Looks really good. Looks a big long train. The blue, the red stripe down the side, the stars. I like it. And then I've got the Netherlands one. I've got 4 coaches now, which makes it look really good. And that also pulls the night train as well. I have my dog with me because he keeps barking every time I put him down. But kind of get the look of it now. I'm going to fill all this in too. Night Jet Vectron. I really like that train. Looks good now that it has 6 coaches. It's really long. And here's my Brawa DRG. Got the eagle on the front. It's cool. I really like it. You're not going to see this in here, but I might do like a, I don't know, maybe I'll somehow put arcs in there, arches or something, so you can see those trains running. Look pretty cool. Vectrons right here. It looks really good. I'm happy with the way it's turning out. I'm gonna work on the, every time I take all the tracks off to paint and do landscaping, every time I put them back I always seem to be a little bit off, and I gotta fiddle with the track. But I'm gonna work on the inserts for these 2 inserts here for the mountains. What's the matter, buddy? You want to say hello? Say hello. I just set you down. Little Hanzo Wanzo right there. But it looks good. I got to do something in the back here. I think I'm just going to put a brick wall behind there, and then work that in. Make a little. I have a lot of ideas for different scenes. Just so you can't really see where I painted it all black. Whenever I stand in the kitchen and look over it, I can see all this wood. Now I just see black in the tunnels, which is much better. That'll look better when everything's closed in. containers going by. I really like the way this little castle area looks here. The train comes around the side. Looks good. And then, like I said earlier, I want to make this into like a station, like a little underground station. Running pretty smooth now. I've been busy, so I haven't had a lot of time to work on it. I worked on it a little bit today. I'll get it. Say hello, Hanzo. My faithful friend. My buddy. Well, thanks for watching. That's the progress.